Do you know how to get the most out of Windows 11 widgets? These little panels might seem simple, but they can completely change how you access information and stay productive on your PC. In this video, we'll explain Windows 11 widgets and show you how to use them effectively in 2026. Windows 11. Widgets provide at a glance information without needing to open multiple apps. You can check the weather, news, calendar events, sports scores, stock updates, and more right from your desktop. This quick access saves time and keeps you informed throughout the day. One of the best things about widgets is customization. You can add, remove, or rearrange widgets based on your interests and workflow. Want your calendar at the top and news updates below? You can do that. Widgets adapt to your preferences, so your desktop becomes a hub for the information you care about most. Widgets also integrate with Microsoft services and third-party apps. For example, you can see your upcoming Teams meetings, track tasks from To-Do, or view notes from OneNote directly in the widget panel. This centralizes your workflow, making it easier to stay organized without constantly switching between apps. Another feature is interactive widgets. Many widgets allow you to perform actions directly from the panel, like checking off tasks, expanding news stories, or controlling media playback. This interactivity enhances productivity and reduces the number of clicks needed to complete simple tasks. Finally, Windows 11 widgets can personalize your experience with AI suggestions. The system recommends content and tools based on your habits and interests. So your widget panel evolves to show what's most relevant to you. Over time, this makes your desktop smarter and more efficient. By using Windows 11 widgets effectively in 2026, you can stay informed, save time, and create a personalized productivity hub right on your desktop. If this video helped you understand Windows 11 widgets, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows 11 tips and productivity guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.